It's 2026, and this is the Junior Kanye TV edition. The last time we saw you guys was 2025, and things were a bit shaky up there where we had Orlando Pirates on top and Mamelodi Sundowns was on number 2. Things have changed again. It's a title race that is being chased by the big 3, and we'll talk about the top 3 and the bottom 3. My name is Nhlanhla Sitshele, and remember, this episode is brought to you by WBS. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WBS. I've got Junior Kanye on my left. I've got Michael Nkambule on the right. Gents, how are you?
Kunjani Nhlanhla?
Ngikrend wena?
Simnandi Nhlanhla.
Yeah.
Kunjani sister?
Ngikrend. Sangena enyakeni omusha.
Compliment of the new season.
No, siyabonga. So let's just get straight into it. We see the title race becoming more interesting. For the past 8 years, it was not like this. It was almost already decided during this time of the season. But izinto zishintshile. We've got Mamelodi Sundowns on top again. We've got Orlando Pirates number 2, par on points as far as that is concerned. And izinto zishintshe kakhulu because the Kaizer Chiefs, that was on the bottom half of the log, is now number 3 on the log. What do you make of the top 3, Michael? Let me start with you.
Mina Nhlanhla nje engingakusho nje I'm happy ngalento enzakala ebholweni lase South Africa manje. Sibona i-Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns like balweli league. Sibonile vele in the past 8 years i-Sundowns beyiwini league. Besithi masifika phakathi nesizini kanje wonke umuntu besekazi ukuthi so I think i-competition manje iyabonisa ukuthi iyakhula kancane.
And what do you make of Kaizer Chiefs being number 3 currently? Do you think they have what it takes to actually clinch this title?
Mina Nhlanhla into engingayisho manje, okay, i-Chiefs yona manje sonke siyazi ukuthi like babuya beva-struggle kanjani for the past 10 years, you understand? But manje, okay, kule season lento esibonile different. It's not like they are playing good football, but they are grinding for results. Yiyo like into ebalulekile manje kule stage esikizo. Because uyazi second half of the season kula izinto ziba nzima khona kakhulu. Abantu balwile relegation, abanye bafuna ukuwina league. So izinto ziba more difficult lapho.
Yeah. And Michael, you spoke how Orlando Pirates stands a very good chance of taking the league. Is that still your thoughts right now?
Mina into engayisho Nhlanhla, Pirates, they are playing good football Nhlanhla. So kunje noma bangeke bawina wonke ama games, you understand? But the Pirates in a chance, they've got a big chance ukuthi league le bazowina yona. Because le league ingichaza Nhlanhla kusukuthi bazodinga ama favor ukuthi ubani at least Sundowns ubani. Bona yibe kumele bazenzele leyo favor ukuthi bazowina nama game wabo. But I think this season they stand a good chance ukuthi bayiwina.
And Kaizer Chiefs won't surprise anybody?
It's football because they are there Nhlanhla. If you account them mathematically, bakhona lapha. Angeke sithi we count them out because balapha and then they are grinding results. Lama 1-0, 1-0 still abanikeza ama 3 points, you understand? So angeke sithi sibabeka ngaphandle ukuthi bawu number 3. So only maybe 3 points or 4 points difference manje. So angeke sithi Kaizer Chiefs si rule out. And you must know Nhlanhla, i-second half kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Kuzoba nzima kakhulu. So whoever ufuna ukuwina uzomela zimisela. Yeah.
Tabo. Kaizer Chiefs is number 3 and Orlando Pirates is number 2. You said last time when we spoke that Mamelodi Sundowns is going to take the league. What are your thoughts right now?
I'm not going to change it. Sundowns, I'm still saying it's going. We bale pants. Because of the experience, they're not playing beautiful football. There's a lot of conflict with Sundowns.
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah, through the coach, Fleming, technical director. Funny enough, when they won this league title previously, technical director was not there. But the coach, which is a manager, not just the coach. I'm talking managing players, managing a situation. Also brought Rulan Mkwena as a Sandla Sake. There was a proper structure was laid by Pitso and Rulan. So we manager, to be controllable in terms of players, who to bring, who to let go. So now there's technical that things are not going well. How they played, they are not even convincing Nhlanhla. True.
But he was there last season and the season before.
You mean?
Fleming Beck was there as a technical director.
That's why Rulane just won the league and the Super Cup. They lost the MTNA, they lost Carling, and how much they were spending. So it didn't make sense. I'm talking when they're winning everything. I'm talking about Champions League 2016 when they won. Technical director was not there. Winning MTN8, winning the league title, winning these trophies, Abonnet Bank, everything. technical directors. Nobody was saying this, another one saying this. Omunye une-line yakhe, omunye une- I think it's a confusion ngaleyo nto leyo. Also, this thing yama South American. There are players that they bring here in South Africa. I don't think they are better than that we have. What we have. Pirates provile leyo nto with the scouting. Pirates they brought Relebogile Mfokazi. They never spend the money that Sundowns spend. Aborisinho, when you check him, he's more of a basic player. Basic player, Chola, like South Africa. There's nothing special. So, if you told Relebogile Mfokeng, I could understand if Sundowns sign a player like Relebogile, which is Umapena, Sundowns given a platform. If we want to believe Guma youngsters, especially with development players, Nyazo we school, but if they believe Guma youngsters mixing with experience, quality, based on benefit. But now they're not believing in these youngsters, and it's a waste for me. So, I still believe Good Bazwe winning league because of the experience seasoned players. You see the games that they play, they're not convincing how they play. They recently lost even over against Al Hilal, second round of the, I think, le game away. But truly speaking, how they play, they're not convincing. But players experience individual, Bonabo Mkwena, Dow, Mbonile bamfaka as a sub. They've got players such as Aborinas who can win games. And Orlando Pirates, shall compliment to Dr. Ivan Khoza this thing for players that he has brought in the technical team. One of the best current team in terms of experience and youngsters. Exciting team to watch every week. We need to be and complementing each other. They can play as a team, they can be individual. That's why they dominated the call-up in terms of national team. How like with Baba Bees, you can't falter. Yes, they never live up to a standard because they are inexperienced. But in terms of the talent, you can't question. So Pirates, because of inexperience, they rely in individual brilliancy. In most, yes, as a team they can, but most Sundowns here as a team, and Sundowns are seasoned players. They know how to win, irrespective of the coach. So I think in terms of Pirates, on the second round of the season, because Joe Wusho Bonilla about Roy game is Kukuni, and unnecessarily. A coach kala experimental starting with 11 bekabo relevant ngaphandle izinto zobasha analysis benza so bahleli number 1 during this time of the season and then our police top class players abombule na ngibona uhlele standing injury free. I fail to understand why. And now they let go Abumabaso. It came immediately at Stellenbosch score. You can't let go Abumabaso. I don't understand why Parrot did that. And Kaizer Chiefs, if I can be honest to you, Abazenzelo Blula by winning many games as much as they can. This is in my thought. Irrespective of how they won. But Medespa compliment, they won games. They show a character. I think they show character. To win ugly, you need to put effort. Medespa Kai effort. It's not all about beautiful football. Gibo, I think in the meta match, which is give me a question mark going forward, especially second round of the season. Because remember Chiefs gave a situation, if not mistaken, 2020. 2019, 2019 and 2020. They sit this time during the season, position 1, and estimated was a coach. Second round, they were struggling because how they play. Because I'm a team as born how you play. It's you become predictable. But Mbashali Zanza to win as much as game as they could, and the bayenzile leyo nto ngikhuluma nge-first round ngaleyo nto leyo ngiyaba-compliment Nhlanhla to win games irrespective of 1-0 how they win angibashayela izandla mfethu ngaloko. And yeah, I think yinto ebenza ukuthi babe kule position ekuyo this year.
Talking about players ahambile at Orlando Pirates, they also brought in players that made an impact almost instantly when they debuted rather against Imakesi FC. Do you think those guys have what it takes to be Nkuluma Ngomsetam and Dijon? So ukjoina kwabo, did they make an impact?
Let me be honest, I think Lomfana Center Back we are with Chippa United. It's a long project. It can't come immediately. Why Parrot let Nda go? It's a big mistake for Orlando Pirates. You can't let that guy go. One of the best defender internationally in South Africa. It's an experienced player, you can't. The philosophy of Orlando Pirates, how he plays, can kick on both right and left. Experienced player Nhlanhla Namchitunzima kakhulu. You can't let that go, especially Mbogazi left. I couldn't understand why even sitting on the bench. So especially you left it. Lwamfana Wambile Nhlanhla was a leader. Lwamfana, he was born to play for Orlando Pirates. Lwamfana is a future Bafana captain. Lwamfana is one of the best talent of this City. Look at the age. Akathathanga isikhathi. Lwamfana kadevelopanga njengabanye babaqala ku age of 8 years njengaborile. 10 years, 12 years. Lwamfana udlala ku-development Pirates under 19 or TTC team. 1 or 2 seasons and then go to Bafana. Pirates first season he unparalleled. So Lwamfana udlala indima enkulu ku-Pirates, Bafana also. And then he left Orlando Pirates. Ndasi understand we are injury, longest injured. And then you bring that. Uyabuya indawo ba injury free. And then umeya ngaphandle, you let him go. Uhlala ngabosibisi. I can tell you Nhlanhla, Pirates is where they're gonna lost. Bazoyiluza la. Also releasing Mabaso. I know people love Ngwanasisi, which is but Nhlanhla, he last khuluma different players. Number one, this boy Mabaso, if you ask him to come to become, I'm going to strike, I was judged by how he score goals. If you score goals, that boy, he has scored vital goals for Orlando Pirates in important games. I know ukuthi Ngwanya sesone mama deny, bamthande look test, but sasikhuluma positioning, understand my teammate, how to play football, elazi ibhola futhi Mabaso uyalazi ibhola, khona ukuthi strike wazi ibhola. I can't let Mabaso go. I think bayithole wrong now on the Pirates and bring those players. Yes, impacting Ibonile Mfethu Msendane, they've signed good signing for Orlando Pirates, but they love him as a striker, dynamic as well. I ngifuna umbona target man, he can shoot, very speedy. Yalazi ibhola, good signing. Dion ngicela ukubona ingame lesitanga nje.
Umlungu.
Ayalazi.
Abu Andre Nesta, football intelligence, akana speed but ithatshele ezombona, an experienced player as well. So we deserve to Pirates because I think if not didn't score for Orlando, Pirates or Chiefs. I think it is score against Pirates and Chiefs previous season Sundowns. I was proving. So the centre back umfano right, but I believe letting that go for that boy. It's the longest project lamfana ngebamdlali manje. Bafuna bukele icala azojela because Pirates is a big team. So ngakubona ujela ku Pirates akusipha phana inyama. It's no lela Jesse shisa kakhulu asinda Nhlanhla.
Michael.
Mina Nhlanhla ngakusho nje nami I was disappointed for the Pirates ukuthi bamrelease unda, especially after baluze uMbokazi yabo. But unda is not a player nyana, he play dlalela country, buku represent in Nigeria. So I don't think ukuthi naye mhlambe makahleli lapha bekangekho happy. So ni team ya decide ukuthi angeke skip umuntu ongekho happy yabo. But for mina bengamelanga bamrelease unda. Bengamelanga bamrelease unda because mangacheka no CM man naye usise azange atshele njengoMbokazi. Yabona uMbokazi noma ulelo uyamthemba, uyasho ukuthi ayileli sotsha lami nyana lempini. But awuyazi impilo injalo, impilo iyachubeka Nhlanhla. Khona bazohamba, khona bazosala abancane. So kunjalo empilweni. And then uTicho ngale yangamlaye, it's like lesikhathi side man, bekumele ngabe sekadlalela iClub enkulu. Thatha isikhathi side kakhulu. Wazibhola kakhulu, nami ngicala ukubona ingame nje. Hayi, imnandi kakhulu. Ngathi ikhulele kazi somewhere.
Yeah. Because even how we were celebrated immediately after the game, you know, Musane Orlando Stadium, like, you know, players don't leave immediately, and then like Sebambi, you know, they used to do that with Tito. Where Tito? So they did that over this weekend with Umlung. So like, you know, just to make him feel at home, but also to be appreciated by the fans of Orlando Pirates. So it was beautiful to actually observe that. Now we just spoke about the title chasers, which is the big three, and the players that made an impact as soon as they joined the new teams. Now there's the battle of the bottom three. Imagesi is sitting right at the bottom. That is Orbit College, that's ahead of them. And then Chippa United. Istorose Chippa Buffett as Pale. Inking Chippa United. What seems to be the biggest problem there?
Mina Nhlanhla man into engayisho ngichippa man sonke si-experience lento siyibonile like la outlay ngathi awuthengana patient. Nela Grootman indlela like engilibone ngayo yabo, like yabona noma ungaba ne-team Nhlanhla kusukuthi izinto mazingahambe right every time uzoqosha icoach yabo, like lento iba nesikhathi bheka nabo owadu noma bafika ku-Pirates kube kushuthi ngabe i-Pirates nabo they were bad losers bekuzomele bamcoshe, you understand. So I think na into eba-affecta yiyo leyo Nhlanhla, ngeke udlala isizini eyi-1 ngama-coach ayi-5 musaqala ukuthi u-adjusta kulo nhlanhla uyahamba balethu ark usathi uya-adjusta kulo ntuza ka-ark bamcosha balethu bani kills the players also because wena sokuqalela uthole i-momentum uthole i-confidence bacosha i-coach kufika omunye umuntu futhi nisazoqalela phansi phela when a new coach comes izinto ziyashintsha nhlanhla angeke athi hayi mina bekudlala ubani ngingadlala ubani makafika ufuna ukudlalisa ngabantu bakhe uyangi-understand so I think i-cheaper man kula khona ithola khona wrong I think kula khona ku-important ukuthi kumele appoint umuntu amthembayo uzomthathela ama-decision aso because I think yena wakwata nje awecosha i-coach yena hayi akadlali naye.
And then Ovid College, they're the newbies in the Betway Premiership, and they have not stepped up in any way. They've like bebalibele balapha phansi abakaze banyuke in such a way that it's convincing. No, I think early on,
Talent,
bayeza, and then right now they're slagging. It is the second half. It is the most crucial time, actually, to decide ukuthi baya phambili abayi phambili. What seems to be the biggest problem there?
Yabona Nhlanhla Obit into engiyibheke ngayo Nhlanhla noma singakhuluma ukuthini you can play ku NFD when you go to the PSL uyabadinga abantu aba-experience abanayo leyo experience ukuthi you need the balance you understand angeke udlale ngama-player bodlala ku-NFD ufuna ukuyocompete ngaku-PSL that's why ubona nasesikhathini esiningi makuba ama-playoff uthola ukuthi ama-playoff i-team yaku-PSL ne-team kuba nzima for those teams abaphansi because laba ucheck ama-budget asebenziswayo between PSL bona they cannot afford ukuthi bangathola ama-player abantwana kumele badlale ngabo kakhulu because ngapha basabanjwa nayile nto yama-rules but when you go to the PSL Nhlanhla lapha is difficult if you wanna stay there you must bring experience also balance for bona mina into engiyibonile bafuna ukucontinue ngaleya team yabo kanti kuzoba nzima la phezulu so bebayinida nabi experience.
Magesi FC, the biggest letdown, because these are the Carling Black Label winners of last season. They did not even get far in that tournament, and right now they are sitting Msileng, basically, in number 16. Inkinga zaseMagesi, where did they get it wrong?
Ile nto ngitshela wena when win ugly izoku-affect in the longest way. I-Chippa United yadeserve kuba la. Nhlanhla you can't build a house wena manje. You buy material uthi umuntu umnika iplan nayi iplan awungakhela indlu uyakhe lo muntu ayakhe mayafu landa umunye azoyakha iseyophela ulanda umunye ayakhe and then ulethe umunye azoyifulela mase yafu ukuthi icede ukufulela ulethe umunye izonethela engeke ishapeke kahle izandla zifani. The Chippa United director I don't understand. I respect to Mr. Mpenges but I understand ebholweni wabe kangena yabona I respect the guy. He's been in football. I know unceda imndeni eminingi but he need to ask himself question ma urelease labantu bonke labantu ba wrong when you're not wrong awuna problem wena
Juthi yena akaziboni
angazi uyangibamba Nhlethi
ngiyakuzwa.
So it's a shame we as black people sibe emakhaya angathawana amandla we have to change imndeni yethu thina. International coach I don't think because we treat us ngiyazi ukuthi khona i-coach eke ya-treat belapha ku-Chippa United Zimbabwean I remember Ligimel if not mistaken ngeke ne-link I'm not too sure ukuthi i-memory yami ibuya kahle ukuthi ukubana or not but yeah bekada abo dance uyamambisa uyabuya uyamambisa futhi ubhadela u-coach game 1 out so in a season in 6 months they release about 5-6 coaches. That's why ngithi ishame man thina bodaki because sifuna umsebenzi yabona isinkwa sasifuna so mawuya ku-Chippa United umuntu akangenhliziyo so uyalapho wazi ukuthi I'm going to be in the next ku-list history ye-club I'm going to be released one coach you need this card you need to be given a budget you must sign type of players so wafuna indlela i-club kumele idlale ngayo you are the one who need to decide that you need to bring your technical team. And then bangakunika i-mandate nakhona i-mandate ukhumbule i-team mangabe uyi-coach ngeke ubize i-coach i-team ibe ne-pre-season iyodwa ungekho i-coach and then somebody is coaching ufike wena ngabo asithi November October bese bathi bacela ukuthi wina ama-game ayi-5 it's difficult so grind ama-results how awuna material udlala ngayo in-experienced players so and kuna this thing ama-player Pirates angadlali ku-Pirates bewangadlali or they didn't do well kulando Pirates Jersey bewasithinda ijezi I will say that okanye kube nzima for bona ukusettle kulando Pirates they are players for big teams players for ama-team lawa bawayise ku-Chippa and lawo ma-player nawa need isikhathi ukusettle So Uchip, I think we deserve a lot. I need to be honest. For chop and change, he released so many coaches without Tubanik Skati, and also team by change. Like in Kulmanga players, there are players that you don't even know them. You progress by eco. You don't know how, but week in and week out. And akaboni problem yena umqeqeshi ule direct ubona I problem kulo kuma coaches, so we deserve kuba la. Second imagesi njengoba ngisho, the way you playing now determine the future. Badlala ngamanuni ngibabone badlala nePirates, you can't come ku capacity gcwele kanje lapha eAmsterdam, Orlando Amsterdam, you want to be exposed. Yabo iPirates with second half they were not the, but first half Pirates one of the best. Namanje bayekile bemele kube 6-7. Yabo you can't come kurile mfethu, best players in the country currently ithi uzobazokuyeka never zoba nenkinga. So nabo bebalapha bazi ukuthi bo honorary fixtures, because no honest inhlanhla, because usemsileni mfethu. I mean the way udlala ngakho not convincing. You go to Orlando Pirates, uyazi second round of the season uzodlala nePirates Sundowns, uzodlala neChiefs engakuchorhwaza nayo, and you're gonna still play about Stellenbosch ababhifa phile. Wa ungabhifa panga like abo Stellenbosch. So it's sad man, and lapha emsileni mfethu abantu abalapha mina ngisasho benza into wrong. Iqala ukuthi ku board ama directors, I've got anginankinga ngisumuntu ongalwa nama directors, is their money, I respect that, but ngicela bahloniphe imizwa abanye abantu. You understand? We're not saying these coaches now many baye lapha benza into nabo, ngoba nama coaches need to know they are given ultimate time, and akekho umuntu ongakhipha imali yakhe nje. But why unga coach like Jomosono is doing? Be a coach, hlala lapho ube direct ube coach, simple, and then sibone ukuthi mangabe neku relegation ungaplay umuntu dying right. Serious, it's tough inhlanhla, but teams that are ready deserve, because how they run things, it's seyavela manje I think on the field.
And then you Orbit College.
Yeah, mina ngisasho uMichael ukhuluma into vital. You can't play ngalabafana be-DTC or abafana be-NFT.
PSL.
Municipal Championship kuphethwe Premiership. That's why bathi it's top light football. Mawunga-check even the press conference ephethwe Premiership, magna bathi phethwe Premier, asithi launch cup bona i-cup, any trophy, it can be calling Black Label or Rama Award ephethwe Premiership. Ubheka difference nje. We're talking about the event. See actually ukuthi there's a lot of money invested in the top flight football. And they bona bafuna ukudlala ngama-known players, some player that they don't care even if they draw 5 games. It's shocking. Like they lost so many games this season iqala, and first season of the first round of the season, and a second round ngibona bashintshanga nix. Ele usaling na bamtholile Pirates wava usaling, they never brought even anyone. So Antlanta deserve nabo. I know Pochis is a nice guy. Ngaba khuluma nePirates, bane relationship nePirates. I've seen several times, even ngizwele ne-interview yakhe ngifunda even Soccer Laduma, I listen him to Metro, I listen see like abumpumi bayimentor yakhe, ngikhuluma ngoPochiso. And bekumele ngabe makabheka iPirates uyabona ukuthi bringing quality players, noma ngeke pound to pound bayimeshe, but scouting as properly bekumele basenze. Ngikhuluma ngama ex, I mean isikhukhune nabo, I think yabanceda to bring these high profile players. Big position yabo noma ngabe kunama expectation, but yabanceda big position 4-5. So badlalela that because of these high experienced players profile. So i-Obitina deserve angeke ungasign umuntu mfethu, there's too much. Badlalela 20 million labantu abadlalela 500,000. So yeah, it's very tough in place.
The stakes are high and they can't seem to find that and put it in their heads. Okay, guys. So now with that said, there's also, it's February now, and being February, it's going to be the start of the Nedbank Cup Kiona. And we've seen interesting fixtures that were drawn in the last 32 that are going to be there. Kaizer Chiefs has been drawn with Stellenbosch FC, and Stellenbosch has recently signed Coach Kevin Hunt. And we know his history, and he knows the PSL extremely well. Do you think he will do something that is unthinkable? And remember, Stelli's got knocked out by Kaizer Chiefs last season in that game. It was not I think it was the quarterfinal. No, in Nedbank.
Oh, in Nedbank, yeah.
Nedbank.
It's a semi-final.
But semi-final. But Kishwe Kaizer Chiefs. And now they are starting.
Controversy for Mulan men.
Yes. Now they are starting, and they're going to be starting with Kaizer Chiefs. Michael, give me your predictions. And after that, let me know how well or how Coach Kevin Hunt is going to do in this cup with Stellies in the season.
Mina Nhlanhla into engingayisho about le game obvious ucoach Gavin uzofuna ukuprove i-point against i-Chiefs but makangathathwa le nto leyo kakhulu izomshaya i-Chiefs. Mamela Nhlanhla izomshaya i-Chiefs ngoba yabo i-Chiefs mongayibheka against i-Steelers since i-Steelers zafike they've got a good record against i-Steelers. No matter bathi swahluphile abo-Sundowns swahlupha abo-Pirates but i-Chiefs every time iyasile i-Stellenbosch, understand. I-Chiefs indaba i-Chiefs iyanyaniseka izobadlela lokho labantu abaningi beza ngale ngcondo ukuthi ifile izokushawana, you understand. So naye mina i-respect ngaloko naye ngoba because manje uyababona nabo basefomini noma bangadlali ibhola elihle but mangithi basefomini bayawina. Confident iba high nakibo ukuthi bazocala ama-games aso confident because abamosolo kudliwa manhlanhla ngoba leki confident man yabo ngoba namanje ungasho ukuthi asidlali abadlali ibhola elimnandi but they are winning, they are third on the log.
Absolutely.
You understand. So I think uGavin ayimeleze naye nge-proper planning against them. I think kanjalo ange-overcome mara ngezi ngokuthi uzobanyatha because i-Chiefs against i-Stellenbosch hayi sineke that's why ngisho ngithi mina i-Chiefs izoyiwina le game.
Yeah, I don't rely on most history mina. Ngenza example, live in Derby. I-Derby yabo i-Chiefs kukumandla ne-Pirates. Kunama expectation Pirates sign high profile players. And sonke watching based on the history, i-Pirates ishabo Golden Arrows 7-1 or 8-1. Uba nengcondo ukuthi i-Chiefs will get the hiding. But come the Derby, Chiefs thothi bami Pirates 2-1 or 1-0 or wait draw. Abantu kuqale full capacity one draw. So I don't rely on history. Stellenbosch one, they've signed Kevin Hunt. Obviously, philosophy has changed. I just saw them releasing Nku Mjela as well. But it goes with the behavior problem. Also brought Mabasa Tsekofa to score the first goal. They brought this guy KK. Otladisa. Khodisang.
Komamilo Khodisang.
Khodisang.
From Sundowns.
Yes, after abroad it didn't work. Is there as well. They brought a couple of players. Libusa is there as well. High profile experienced players. Those players ichima bichinche yonke. And you can be nanti-siyazi njengoba ngisho unendlela okudlala yabona, you know how to use those players. Philosophy yakhe we know, go put the ball, it's second ball, badlala nge-second ball, put the ball on the like i-set piece half of a chance against Kaizer Chiefs njengoba Michael asho bazokubamba ngeli-1 irrespective of how they play kuzovela uLebo just score. And they keep on winning, grinding results. Confident of yakhula tremendous conmivar. But me against this I've got different opinion. It's gonna be difficult for both teams. I see it's for Stellenbosch, I see it's for Chiefs. Because Stellenbosch, they know very well we're not by Kaizer Chiefs. And they will want to prove a point. Not prove the point, players themselves, they know with what is at stake. And they will want to prove this. I think he came out to determine our players like Kevin our signing. This is a big game. Game. And also Kaizer Chiefs players, they will want to prove this is not a fluke. Must be the winner. And it's a difficult game, but I'll give it to Stellenbosch. I see Tsekoba Soma Opale Pans, Tsekobas, Tseko Fatso. Those are 1 or 2. I see Stellenbosch winning 1-0 or 2-1. It's gonna be difficult game. Kevin, game. It's a game of mastermind. 2 coaches, I think Kevin will win. I'm a coach, but Kevin Hunt, with a strategy, and the players that one now manjelapa. Stellenbosch has changed since the coaches arrive and players. So Kaizer Chiefs, yes, but surprise on a true party. I gule yabona the way yabole amacha 1-0. Because how they win. I mean, jive man. Sometimes
win is a win. 3 points is what matters at the end of the day. And like Michael said, Uguti, when you get those 3 points, it is what will get you there. That's why you also said, Uguti, winning does not have to be ugly. It doesn't have to be the most prettiest thing as well. So uguwina kwabo, irregardless, a win is a win. It's 3 points.
Then I feel so chat. Me, not my son Winjan. I've been in Barcelona set up. They're still going to, and I've been in Brazil as well. Those people have got the way to play football. They are not get carried away by goals. They want to win in style. I think sometimes njoba iso manje inhlanhla kuba nzima ukuthi uyidlile nje is because of the structure that was set long ago, 6-7 years ago. So mane identity indlela okudlala inhlanhla you guarantee out of 10 6 or 7 you will win games. 3 maybe you might lose because khona abanye abantu thola ukuthi ngalelo langa iplane yabasebenzela.
Sure.
But man winner grinding results. Nhlanhla it's not guarantee. Ngoba njoba ngisho both teams Chiefs and Eastern Port uKevin udlala ngendlela iChiefs ewina ngayo. Akusumuntu obelieve ukuthi there's ball circulation, there's build up and stuff. He rely ukubamba ngama mistake wakhe. That's why it's a tricky game. True, i 3 point kumele njoba ngisho ngiya compliment iChiefs but ukora kufaka ibhola enethini it takes a character and kumele nicabange and honestly well done njoba ngisho but njoba ngisho mina mawina ugly mfethu bazokuthola kayi1 bazokubamba 4 and then you will change is lineup yonke so angabi convinced ngabo but ngiyaba complimenta ngeseason. So far I need to compliment that. I need to compliment them. Ngithandi lapho kumele ngibe compliment for winning games. But kule Stellenbosch uzombambisana 2-1 Stellenbosch 1-0.
Your prediction?
Mina ngazi isikoma mara into engitshela namakhosi adlula.
Ayadlula.
Amakhosi adlula phela bakwatile labantu basafuna ukuyidefenda lento le.
Yabo phela iyehlezi kubo manje.
Uyayibona so basakwatile labantu bebawume kakhulu man manje bacabanga ukuthi lento angeke
Should they defend Pirates
no angisho ukuthi like sengikhulumela kule like yeah ukuthi manje banalento ukuthi okay manje Pirates is strong.
So, yeah.
Is strong kakhulu. Mara bona but for mina bona vela badlali good football yabo but into important enhlanhla njengoba ngisho yabo kubhlungu ukuthi nakhona phela iChiefs ibuya ku 10 years without the winning trophy. Ungadlala good still ungawini next at the end of the day. Uyabona ukuthi izokujaja ngani igcine egcineni ifana noma ungadlala ifinal angeke sikukhumbule ukuthi wena wadlala ifinal you only remembers abantu abawina because masingakukhuluma manje ngekuthi iSundowns nini league sikhumbula iSundowns ukuthi 5 years back bokuba no number 3 usakhumbula angeke sizesikhumbule but we'll remember the champions you understand. So I think manje bona ngokwina kwabo iboost nakibo even na ku management into kumele bayenze they must prepare themselves for next season ukuthi manje ba identify player azo booster for next season because manje at least we are building on something because nabo mongaba check ukudlala bakhoni but nabo bakoreki lula nabo. As much as abakoreki lula nabo yabo bana ama clean sheets amaningi so that's why ngithi nabo kumele babheke bayingozi ngaloko ke nabo so lokho bangadlali ibhola elihle yabo so but I think manje into engijabulisa kakhulu nanhlanhla ukuthi maba wina kanjena Pirates is winning ibhola le South Africa zoba mnandi so bona manje so witness stadium week in week out gcwala manje stadium.
It's making a very good point to Michael because we need Chiefs to be on at their best. Yabona leyo nto set understand. We talk about sponsorships, football fraternity nje. We phela kunama fans that they are not happy to see ewe Pirates seeing Kaizer Chiefs dropping. I don't think some of the fans because these are big two teams masikhuluma ivara masikhuluma nje ivara and it's a good thing for South African football Kaizer Chiefs to be on the map. Yabo ngoba even noma a coach, national team coach comes, Hugo Bros, whoever, and say, in terms of selecting players. One, but like the Confederation Cup. And then they are at position 2 or 3. You can't go on position 6, 8 or 9, 10, 11, 12. Unabantabala position 3 that they've been winning. Gunzima gutu noma ngabe angeke uthathe 3-4 to leave one. Ngoba Brendan Peterson, we like it or not. Kuleko mention something very important ukuthi mhlawumbe position 3 or even position maybe number 3 kubafana. It deserve it because of this clean sheet. Angithi manje ibuyela lapho ukuthi makalebela shala ama clean sheet. Siya recognize. Uyabona ukuthi okay. Now we deserve ukuthi angaba la mhlawumbe. So I'm saying it's a good to South African football. We are successing the obvious njengamanje noba kuzodlala idiving i28 or 1. It's going to be so difficult because it is yobasho Michael adlala kahle ikoriki mara. Very important point. You can't score against them easily. Asisho ukuthi ayikoriki but awuyikori easy. Which is true nami leyo nyaka rant and I think these co-coaches into abezengayo is to structure defense yabo. Yabo do ngifuna babona baba tester Sundowns Pirates too. Bozamaleka asaba ngoba ni test ina singakhuluma i very important but sobashayela izandla so far. Leyo singayikhohlika yi2. So far we give them but we need to see more maso baba tester even now second round of the season because team they come with different strategy.
Okay. So with that said, let's talk about tomorrow's game. Orlando Pirates is going to be playing against AmaZulu. Your prediction and your prediction, sir.
AmaZulu so far now they are doing good Nhlanhla bangenile baku top 5 nabo manje ne.
4, the number 4.
Number
Yeah, yeah.
For they're in the top
for
5.
sure.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it won't be an easy game for Orlando Pirates, but I think Orlando Pirates is at 3 point.
And then if Orlando Pirates takes the 3 points, what does that mean for them? By Uyela Pezulu, and now the title race now becomes more and more interesting. But give me your prediction.
Michael with it.
Nang Pirates at 3 point.
Score.
Hayi score Nhlanhla ngisazi mara Pirates uthatha. Yabona ngescore.
Okay, la uzami ngescore.
Hayi score ngispredict. Mina ngiyakutshela nje ngithi Pirates umuzo
Oh, wena usitshela
ukuthi
ngokwi.
ya
What
bazoyi.
Michael
Yeah,
faka
yeah.
ne favorite
Okay.
Yadle
Pirates.
mnyama, yadle mnyama.
I think
All
Pirates.
right. When uthi.
Very difficult game.
Yeah. But very interesting game.
Phela Pirates
interesting
Pirates
game.
mawudlala nabo enise Holland game.
Yeah.
Hayi kise
Oh, KZN.
Yeah, the
Sorry,
KZN.
not Laren. But
Yeah.
each and every game Pirates edlala current is a home game for them.
well,
People will
'cause
come in numbers.
they're
They play
coming in
beautiful.
numbers
That's
now.
why
Yeah.
ngihlala ngitshela Nhlanhla, if you play beautiful football in ending results.
Yes.
Mfethu advantage ukuthi people will come in numbers. Udlala against angeke sikubone nama-fans wenu.
For sure.
So a difficult AmaZulu. U-Ada kumele ngimshayele izandla
True.
umjida.
For sure.
Ngicela ukushayela u-Ada izandla.
Yeah.
Yeah, umjida ngidlale naye and
Mdala udlale naye.
mina bengisephuzu
Uyadlala.
Namdlali nayo athi.
Nawe.
mina Nhlanhla
Ngikude.
bengishare position naye.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Ngiyamhlonipha. Yeah, bekule bhele shayinet futhi. Just come back sengikhuluma ngecoaching umjida. Coaching akusho ukuthi mawudlalile you can coach. But to Ada I think enye into nayimele imcomplimente ngayo, he knows how to structure i-team ukudefenda.
Sure.
When he win mawungambheka it doesn't play beautiful football. U-Ada unendlela i-structure ngikhuluma nge-team yakhe. They defend as a team. He allow 1 or 2 players to express themselves ngikhuluma nge-extend. You know how to use those players.
Yeah.
Compliment to Ada's one. Ulethe enye dimension kumaZulu whereby it's not the obvious team. Abo when you play against baba difficult bo Sundowns. Mawunga-check negame ayidlale ne-Sundowns. He was unlucky not to win that game. Uthola ama-chance u-Ada. Umiste ama-chance serious ukubamba i-team ngoba uyakwazi ukudlala, he can defend, he can catch you nge-counter attack. So I draw again. Awadu is going to be frustrated again. I can tell you kuzozamazamile 11-0-0.
1100 yadla mnyama.
Ngithi mina yadle mnyama Nhlanhla bakwatile kumreme Nhlanhla. I think and nenye into wadi I think ngePirates Pirates is playing good football but imistake ekumele ngasayenzi manje ne. Angayenzi lento ayenzile against isikhukhune. By benching okay is rotating team ngiyavuma. But angasay allow lento ukuthi you put police ngaphandle, you put rail ngaphandle. Those are the players abalethi creativity teamini. So you can't have the bold players outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the plan ka-Ada ke izoba yilonto. One thing is is going to manage those players, going to take care of. Akusi easy ukumakhurile, make no mistake. Angabi sho ngomreme. I know the boys did very well.
Yes.
But really yazi kunjani Nhlanhla, kunesiphiwo. A gift confuse wonke umuntu. Like ungafaka uMichael ground manje uzokumangaza. Ungabona ukuthi umuntu lo ushota okay iminyaka seyambile. Mangathola proper training and put it's a gift. And then kunomuntu kumele ba-train mhlawumbe 3 times a day or twice, hard working.
Yes.
So marabe ne-strength njengamanje. Urile nabo umrem different players. But they are good in different ways. Angithi umrem is a bad player, but urile exclusive. Into engatholakali. How old is the boy?
21.
So we're talking about the one who decided the Pirates game because they've a top relay Mfukeng will see Pirates on top. So once the boys on song, Pirates will win song. Beke last week assisted. My good 20 assisted.
Yeah.
After isikhathi eside ngayiboni leyanto. So I think psychological job angasho bengekho right. But ngathi yabo la agcine khona angachubeka. But u-Ada into azoyenza is going to manage those players. Yabo no-Ada one thing is going to take care. Abo Hamanam on the left hand side, they're gonna take care. Police they have to work. So also they must look at the Pule extent. But the Pirates game for Lion.
Yeah.
But I'm not too sure Futi Uadu, Jobu Michael, why Mbule. I know we didn't perform AFCON. And not only him, there's many players beginning expectation. Why is the city understand? I just wanna find out why the coach put him.
I made a symphony, Les.
Mbule
But it worries you so much. Ukuthi he should be getting more game time but the coach is not giving him the game time.
Because uma unga-check i-first round of the season at-Orlando Pirates, he brought another dimension lo mfana Mbule. Ukuthi mina ngihlale ngisho akusu-number 10, i-central player le.
Yeah.
Akusu-number 10. Vele uzomkhama le mfana mamdlalisana. So ngifuna ukwazi ngoba we never had any statement from Orlando Pirates ukuthi uMbule kwenzakaleni. Why do putting Mbule on the stand? On the okay makami ngamqalisanga but mina kimi bengamqalisa uMbule mfethu imakancane. So namanje ngibonile adlalisa umakhehleni kula ithola khona wrong nhlanhla it's getting it wrong because Imbatha even him can play that defensive midfield with so ithayi ngabo lo kusasa ngabo makhehleni and then it's going to be difficult. Do Pirates pretty cream, Pirates pretty cream. But makhehleni man coach unokuyilahla sama. Yeah, I draw 0-0-1-1.
Also, it's going to be a draw. All right, then that will change the face of what the title race looks like. It's going to change who's going to be number 1. It's going to change who's going to be number 2. But everybody else is playing. But Pirates right now, why are we talking about it? Because will they have what you said they lack? The stamina to actually run the marathon. They were good in sprinting within the first half of the league, but right now it's the second league, and this is where the ultimate test is going to be. So we'll talk after that. Next week masibuya sizobuya vele sesibona ukuthi izinto zishintshe kanjani and how balanced things are. With that said, this is how we close off the Junior Kanye TV edition for today. It is brought to you by WBS, that is World Sports Betting, #WBS, #Bet with the best. Sesiyayivala manje, tanko.